This is a Thorens round double-claw lighter, manufactured in 1933. These lighters were known for their elegant design and superior craftsmanship. This particular lighter had decades of grime buildup and was missing the claws, spring, and screws which activate the striker wheel against the flint. We will disassemble, clean, and finally rebuild to full working specs, replacing the vital parts which are missing. Years of use and neglect can tarnish the beauty of these lighters. We use a gentle cleaning solution and soft brushes to remove dirt and grime, lubricating the parts as we move along. Now that the parts are freed of debris and grime, a new wick and wadding are placed prior to final reassembly. Although the mainspring is operating well, the missing parts are now installed to achieve full functionality and complete restoration.